Hello and welcome to another video. In honor of Veganuary, I will be sharing with you some easy vegan snacks that revolve around tahini, which is basically just a sesame seed paste. Hummus, roasted red pepper hummus, an aubergine dip, and sweet potatoes with tahini. Yes, that's right, you're getting a 4-for-1 special. You are most welcome. So let's start with the hummus. Chickpeas in a food processor or blender, olive oil, lemon juice, followed by some water. Water is something that everyone forgets pretty much when making hummus. You load it up with olive oil or lemon juice to get the right consistency when all you need is water. Shake your tahini well and then add that in there too. If you noticed, I had my tahini upside down at the start of the video. That's because the oil rises to the top, so turning it upside down prevents that. Pro chef tip right there. Then blend away, season to taste. Start with smaller amounts and then keep tasting and adding more of what's needed according to your palate. I can't stress that enough. There is no perfect hummus recipe. And if you think you can just Google the perfect hummus recipe, then you're wrong. The Israelis, the Palestinians, Egyptians, Arabs, Greeks, pretty much all of the Middle East and Mediterranean countries, they say that their hummus is better. So good luck with that. Anyway, back to the video where I can't seem to put a lid on. What is this guy doing? You good? Yeah? Alright, once you're happy with the consistency, I like to remove half and then pimp out the other half with a little bit of heat, and that's where we're going to make the roasted red pepper hummus. So in with our hummus, we're going to add in some... You good? Again? This is what we're doing? Let's forward this, shall we? Yeah, I'm just going to wait till you're done, don't worry. As I was saying, I like to add some heat, so I go in with the roasted red peppers. No, I did not make them myself.
I'm appalled. You're appalled. I'm appalled.
Then I add in some of that red pepper juice for more flavor. Liram, if you don't come back here right now and put some of that pepper juice in the... Okay, good. I was almost strike 3. Then you're going to go in with some chili powder and paprika and blend until you get a beautiful blood orange color. I like to make my hummus slightly runny because once I put it in the fridge, it's going to stiffen up and then it becomes the perfect texture. Now to add some more texture to the hummus and just to be a little bit extra, I fry some chickpeas up with some olive oil, chili powder, paprika, salt and pepper. It should take around 5 minutes on a high heat, so just fry them up until they're nice and crisp, drain off any of the excess oil, and then you have the perfect topping for your hummus. Next, we're going to make the melizano, or the baba ganoush, or the aubergine dip, or whatever you want to call it. Roast your aubergines for around 45 minutes until they are completely soft. Then scrape out the aubergine goodness with a spoon. I recommend waiting for them to cool down first, but I have impatient family members that were hungry and waiting. Once that's done, get a knife or two and just start hacking away at it and having a good time basically. Once you're done embarrassing yourself, scrape the aubergine into a bowl, add in some tahini, olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper alongside some vegan yogurt. I normally add garlic to both the hummus that we made earlier and this aubergine dip, but my mum hates garlic, so I had to leave it out. You guys should definitely add some garlic in there. Finally, we're going to make the sweet potatoes with tahini, and you're going to see how easy this is. Simply wrap up the potatoes in foil, roast them until they're nice and soft, pour tahini on them, and throw some sesame seeds on top. Done. How easy was that?